Welcome to Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot, your daily dose of the latest in cryptocurrency news, market insights, and blockchain trends. Let's get started. Bitcoin futures markets are flashing warning signs as $48 billion in open interest towers over just $25 billion in daily trading volume, creating what analysts call a crowded club with a tiny exit. Bitcoin currently trades at $63,584, but this dangerous imbalance could trigger severe price swings if liquidations begin. The ratio has deteriorated dramatically from 2019 to 2020, when trading volume outpaced open interest by 2 to 3 times. Blockchain analytics firm Glassnode warns that resting bids supporting prices have thinned by roughly 1/3 since early July, meaning fewer buyers are positioned to step in if Bitcoin retests the June low of $58,000. The regulatory picture remains murky after the SEC abruptly cancelled its Friday meeting where it planned to advance regulation crypto and unveil its delayed innovation exemption. Sources say the White House and lawmakers are concerned that SEC action could complicate negotiations over the Digital Asset Market Clarity Act ahead of September's first Senate vote. Galaxy research analyst Alex Thorne now puts the odds of the Clarity Act becoming law this year at just 10%, down sharply from earlier estimates. The legislation faces renewed pushback from banks over stablecoin yield provisions, with several Republican senators signaling they may oppose the bill without more bank-friendly changes. Institutional investors are fundamentally changing how they evaluate crypto assets, moving away from CoinMarketCap rankings toward fundamental metrics like revenue, usage, and value capture. Bitwise CEO Hunter Horsley calls this the end of crypto's CoinMarketCap leaderboard era. Institutional counterparties now account for roughly 72% of Wintermute's spot over-the-counter flow in the first half of 2026, up from 59% a year earlier, with concentration in major cryptocurrencies and revenue-generating tokens. On the enforcement front, Austria's Financial Market Authority fined Bitpanda €70,000 in the first published MiCA enforcement case. The violations related to timing and formal specifications around white paper submissions and marketing materials. Meanwhile, SafePal disclosed a data breach exposing personal information from nearly 40,000 customers who placed orders between March 2025 and April 2026. The breach adds to an escalating wave of hardware wallet security incidents this year, raising concerns about physical attacks targeting crypto holders. Binance faces scrutiny after allegedly providing Russian authorities with customer data used to charge a Russian IT specialist with financing terrorism for sending over $700 in cryptocurrency to Ukrainian military groups. The disclosure raises questions about data privacy, particularly since Binance announced its exit from Russia in September 2023. Bitcoin spot ETF flows remain weak with $390 million in outflows last week, the largest weekly withdrawal in 6 weeks. Ethereum trades at $1,903 and Solana at $75.66 as markets await Wednesday's FOMC meeting minutes and potential White House crypto developments. That's a wrap for today's edition of Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot. We hope you're feeling more informed and ready to navigate the cryptoverse. Until next time, keep your digital wallets ready.